Hello students, and you are welcome back to solve your mathematics past question class. Today we'll be focusing on 3 by 3 matrices in today's class. So I will be solving our question from our West African Examination Council from the year 2000 to 2010. The next question we'll be solving in today's class is from the White Past Question 2005. It says if E into bracket 203,312,145 close bracket, find the inverse of E if it exists. To find the inverse of E, we'll first need to calculate the determinant of E. Two questions to this question, we've been able to determine or find the determinant of a matrix. And we're going to try the same thing, or we're going to apply the same rule we did for the first determinant that we just calculated. So to find the determinant of E, we pay attention to the columns of the first line, and we see how they affect in rows and columns. So the first number is 2. So you see how under 2 we see that 2 affects the row and the 2 is affecting the columns. So you look at the 2 by 2 numbers that are not affected. So that will be 2 into bracket 1 times 5 minus 4 times 2, the close bracket. Then you see the second row, that will be 3. So you see the number is affected, the middle number, and the numbers beside it. So that will be minus 3 into bracket 0 times 5 minus 4 times 3, then close bracket. Plus, you see the last number, you see the number is affecting in row and in column. And you see the 2 by 2 matrices that are left behind. So that will be plus 1 into bracket 0 times 2 minus 1 times 3, then close bracket. So when we have these numbers together, we'll be having 2 into bracket 5 minus 8 close bracket, then minus 3 into bracket 0 minus 12, then close bracket, plus 1 into bracket 0 minus 3, then close bracket. When we add these values together, it can be further expressed as 2 into bracket minus 3, then close bracket, plus 36 minus 3. Then when we further add this and open the bracket, it will be further expressed as minus 6 plus 36 minus 3. So minus 6 plus 33 minus 3 will give us 27 as the determinant of E. So since the determinant is non-zero, the inverse exists. So to find the inverse, we calculate the matrix of cofactors, that is the aggregate and then the inverse. So to calculate the matrix of the cofactor, so we find the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix in the 3 by 3 matrix. So let's see the first one. We'll find the determinant of the first numbers in the matrix, that is 2. So we have, so the determinants will be 1, 2, and 4, 5. And we have determinants of the second numbers, which is minus 2. But we have minus determinant into bracket 0, 4, 3, 5. And the same thing goes to every other numbers. You find the determinants of each numbers. You check the numbers that they are affected by rows and column, and you pick the 2 by 2 matrices that are not affected. So this is how you do it, and this is how it is placed on your screen. Therefore, when we calculate these determinants, we'll be having the matrix of 6 to therefore be, I'll be calling these values in rows, and that will be into bracket 5 minus 8, then into bracket 15 minus 2, then close bracket. Then you have into bracket 12 minus 1. Then I'm moving to the second row. So we have minus into bracket 0 minus 12, close bracket. And we have into bracket 10 minus 3, close bracket. And we have minus into bracket 8 minus 0, close bracket. Then you have the third row, into bracket 0 minus 3, close bracket. Then minus into bracket 4 minus 9, close bracket. And we have into brackets 2 minus 0, close bracket. So when we add these values together, so we have the matrix of C to therefore be, I'll be calling the values in row. So that will be minus 3, minus 13, then 11, and that will be the second row, and that will be 12, 7, and minus 8. And I'll be going to the third row, and that will be minus 3, 5, and 2. What we just did now is that we find the determinant of C. So now let's find the aggregate. To find the aggregate, all we have to do is to rearrange our rows into column, then rows into column, then rows into column. The first row will be arranged into column, the second row will be arranged into column, and the third row will be arranged into column. So therefore the aggregate of E will be minus 3, 12, minus 3, and minus 13, 7, 5, and then 11, minus 8, and 2. Therefore to find the inverse of the determinant of E times the adjugate of E will therefore be 1 over 27 into bracket minus 3, 12, and minus 3. Then the second row, minus 13, 7, and 5. In the third row, 11 minus 8 and 2, then close bracket. So therefore, the 1 over 27 that is outside the bracket will affect the numbers inside the bracket. So we multiply each numbers by 1 over 27. So that will be minus 3 times 1 over 27 will give us minus 1 over 9. And minus 13 times 1 over 27 will give us minus 13 over 27. And 11 times 1 over 27 will give us 11 over 27. And we have the second column now. We have 12 times 1 over 27 will give us 4 over 9. And 7 times 1 over 27 will give us 7 over 27. And 8 minus 8 times 1 over 27 will give us minus 8 over 27. Then the last column will be minus 3 times 1 over 27 will give us minus 1 over 9. Then 5 times 1 over 27 will give us 5 over 27. And 2 times 1 over 27 will give us 2 over 27. And that will be our final answer to calculate the inverse of the matrix of E in today's class. So this is where we're going to stop in today's class.